Hi guys, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. And we have three regular Sudokus here. Sudoku Mix, the Binary, and the Medium Sudoku. And in today's newspaper of, yes, it's still Wednesday, February the 16th, 2022. And in this newspaper there's also an additional with extra puzzles, 6 puzzles extra. Half of them I will solve, but first I will solve these three regular Sudokus. I've already solved one. The second one I will do is a medium Sudoku number. By the way, news of today, yeah, I've heard they want to start a war on Wednesday. I don't know if they are going to do this, but it's bad. A war, of course. Uh, Let me continue. 134. Yes, this will be the number 14134. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus. In additional, this will be a 2 stars. And for 2 stars a puzzle, I need my time limit 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then, let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? Yeah. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see that 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 8. We see here an 8 in this column. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see that 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then, yeah. Let me see. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see that 4, no 4 there. Yeah, 4, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see that 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Okay. Then. How about 6 in this column, third column, 6 in the first column, so the column in between the second column, only place left for the 6, should be there. 1. Okay. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 2, should be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in the first column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, no. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. Alright. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row. Wait. We have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. The last row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 9. And the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay? Alright. 1 and a 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number here in this big square is number 1. We see here 1 in this first column. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. Then 3 and 5. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 5. So 1 box left now in this first column for number 1. The 2 is missing, yes. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be an 8. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, no, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there, no only place left for the 8. It should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. And how about the 2s? And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Then. How about this missing number in this column? I think this is number 5, the digit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 3. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next down, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 in the more, that box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 5. Okay. Alright. Then. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9. 169, 169, 169. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square, 169, are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, no, 3 and the 7 goes there. 3 and the 7. 3 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this third row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That means 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 6. Left 1 and 6. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. 1 is missing, 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 6, 7, 9, 6, 7. Interesting. Okay. Let me see. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. Cannot fill this there yet. How about those 2 missing numbers in the middle row? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9. 7 and 9 still cannot fill this yet. 7 and 9. Well. 7 and 9. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, the 6. 6, 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this column, so no 6 and a 7 in this box. The 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We see a 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 3. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 now. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, And the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be, and the 6 goes. And there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. This box should be a 1. Final two numbers of this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. And we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Told you 15 to 20 minutes I need for the 2 stars or this medium Sudoku. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching. And before I leave, well, I'm analyzing these numbers for the past 3-4 weeks, yeah, and maybe I can see a pattern, maybe you can see a pattern, so I'm collecting all those data. 936 and 936, 678, 678, 527, 527. Here we have 2 pairs, the 6 and the 7s. Yeah. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic. No. A killer Sudoku. Sudoku mix. See you then. Bye bye for now.